Welcome to all Yummy 2I student for the lecture 4, that is for Introduction to Engineering Drawing. Now in today's lecture we will have a look upon the chapters, that is units, the content, that is syllabus, that is the chapters which we have to study, how many hours they have allocated to complete the explanation of each chapter, how many marks for each chapter. Now the first unit is projection of line and plane. Now first we should understand what we mean by projection. Now you have completed 1I. Projection means draw the front view, top view and side view of the given object. Now object, if you take any three-dimensional object, it is completed by the point, line and plane. Now if you take the example of this cube, now this cube is combination of, this is plane. If my name is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 points, 4 lines. This is the bottom surface, 4 lines, and this one 1, 2, 3, 4 is a single plate. Such how many plates are there? First bottom face, top face, side 4 faces, means 6 such square if you take, we will obtain the cube. 6 such square, that is 1, 2, 3. If you joint it, if you weld it, if you Fevicol paste it, then we will obtain the solid cube. So the solid is the combination of point, that is line, this is a plane, that is a plate, plane means plate, and by this plane we form the solid, that is three-dimensional object. So projection of line and plane is important, so that we have to draw the front view and top view on side of the line in different positions with respect to the principal planes, that is HP, VP, its inclinations. That is very easy chapter, and they have allocated 10 hours for that chapters, and for board examination they will ask question to draw the figures in various position of line and plane for 10 marks. Now the second unit is the projection of solid. The solid is, we know the common solid you have studied from the 8 standards, that solids are just as cylinder, cone, prism. This is a square prism. Then a cone, then this is a pyramid having the apex. Now from these are the basic solids. If you study the basic solid, that how many faces the prism has, side faces. If it is square, it has 4 side faces. This is the axis, and according to the relation with respect to HP and VP, we have to draw the projections of these solids. Projections of these solids. Now this projection means, similarly we have to draw the front view, top view and side view of the solid. They have given the 6 hours for that, and they have allocated 12 marks. They will ask the question, they will give the questions, and we have to draw the according to the given condition, position of the axis for the 12 marks. Now unit 3, the section of solid, 8 marks. If you want the aesthetic of solid, the solid is cut. Here the solid is cut, you observe here the solid as a, for obtaining the different aesthetic shapes, that is the section the solid is cut. After taking the cutting section, what observation you will observe, that will be studied in 8 hours, and they have given 12 marks for that chapter. Now unit 4, that you have already studied the orthographic projection, that you have to cut the position, imaginary cutting plane we have to observe, and what will be the change in the front view. If the cutting plane is parallel to the front view means parallel to the VP. if you cut it and remove that portion, what changes is observed in that object to understand the hidden internal quality that a dotted is converted into dark light, that will be studied in 8 hours. For that 12 marks are given. You are already familiar with the orthographic projection. From the three-dimensional view, we are drawing the three views, front view, top view and side view. The similar portion is there for 12 marks. This is also very much familiar Unit 5 missing view, that is the auxiliary view. And auxiliary view, that is for 12 marks. Two views are given, front view and top view. You have already studied the isometric view. From the two view, you can draw the three-dimensional view, and if you able to draw the three-dimensional view, then you can draw the third view. If they give the front view and top view and or front view and side view, you can complete it the remaining missing view or missing lines. Auxiliary views are the lines that the views we are creating on the inclined plane to obtain the true shapes of the inclined plane after cutting sections. Now for the freehand sketches, that is the standard mechanical component. That is what I am saying, standard mechanical component, nut, bolt, rivets, couplings and keys that are standard. They are given the 4 hours for that, and 6 marks has been allotted for that. So the total from 16 weeks is one semester. They are given 3 lectures. That means total in 48 lectures we have to cover this syllabus, this unit, 6 units. And you know that theory paper is there for drawing, no MCQs. You have to draw that paper. The board exam will send the paper, and you have to complete. You should have the practice of sheets and assignments, and after that you can able to attempt the questions of drawing. Now about the micro project. What is about the micro project? Prepare thermocol model, three-dimensional thermocol model. You can prepare, or a second option is that each student of the batch collect at least one production drawing from the local workshop, where it is available, or from the industries, and from that job, the job drawing, we will understand how to relate your drawing. That is various types of section you have to observe in that drawing, whether it is used, why it is used in the industries, what is its important, that we can understand from it. And each student will be given 10 problems in which two views of the objects are given with missing lines. To complete the object, the missing line, that is orthographic projection, front view, top view, or side view, or side view, top view, or front view is given. Then you have to complete the missing line. Student should identify that missing line, then he can understand the drawing and complete the views. Students should collect the samples and catalogs of the standard mechanical components. The mechanical components just have revised now, that is in this freehand sketches, that is nut, bolts, rivets, keys, couplings, and foundation bolts. That are the standard parts that you have to either collect it, various parts that will be your project from the shops that are available in the market, or you should collect the catalogs, the dimensions, types, their specifications. This is about the micro project. So you have to observe this, you have to study very well, listen all the first 3 lectures, you will understand the concept of engineering drawings, and it is very easy. From the next lecture we will start with the unit 1, that is projection of line and plane. Okay, thank you.